With the director or Frank, TheGor Diaries.
Yeah, the place to be subscribed, like, comment.
Yeah.
Kindly subscribe to Jamdoz.
It's something today. Yeah, I see.
Can you ask the seller?
How much is this one? 250. And this one here? And the other ones, that row. So they have different prices.
Yeah.
And this one here? 250 both. Which one is more expensive?
Guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depend where you are. So today I have my friend. If you able to see my previous video when we are going to Myanmar. Yeah. So today I hijacked him on the road, so he came to take me to buy some omena, some small fish. Yeah. So you can able to
fresh fish. Yeah, fresh
fish.
Yeah, fingerlings.
Yeah.
And
you can able to see these ones. Jamdoz.
Yeah.
Should I buy you?
It's very, very nice.
Should I buy you one fish?
It's like you want to surprise me with something today. Yeah, I see.
Can you ask the seller?
How much is this one? 250. And this one here? And the other ones, that row. So they have different prices.
Yeah.
And this one here? 250 both. Which one is more expensive than the other? This one here.
This one.
So these are around 300 shillings. Okay, very nice.
So which one do you want to try?
I think this one is just enough. This one here.
This one is enough. Are you serious?
Very, very serious. Very
okay.
Nice. And this one is called follow
in our language.
Omena.
Yeah. So
very nice.
This is what? Which type of fish is this?
This is called this is tilapia. Yeah. So we have different types of fish. We have tilapia. We have that is called the other one.
Mudfish. Finger canning what? So guys, we are with the Jamdoz. Yeah, you can able to see a good guy. Actually, he has supported me through my subscription. Yeah, so I want to take you to a process that they are being cooked, isn't it?
Yeah. Sure.
Let me show you guys. So this is the place that they are being cooked. Just place. Over here. There, that. Wow. How long does it take to cook that way? 20 minutes. Wow. Yes, you can able to see. There it is. So from here to here, you can able to see this. See the fire, see the heat. This one is very nice, guys.
So this one is fresh.
This one is fresh.
Direct from the lake. Yeah.
And
nice.
So this is the process that is being taken. You are able to see. They've been just do. Just do. So it's removing the scales. So that it can be able to be eaten. I see the process. Wow. So it's dividing it so that the oil can enter inside it very properly.
Tilapia fish. This is tilapia.
This is tilapia?
Nowadays we don't have that water.
Ah, why?
I don't know. There's shortage.
So there's another one. He's removing. He has two different of knife. You can able to
The one for removing scales and
scales?
the one for cutting.
The cutting, yeah. So guys, this is the place. And here's Jamdoz.
You know what? Me, I really like. I like tilapia.
Tilapia.
Yeah, I like tilapia more than mudfish.
Why?
I like tilapia more than mudfish.
Why?
This is very sweet.
And mudfish is not sweet.
Mudfish, I don't like mudfish.
Oh.
Yeah, mud. That's why
you eat a lot of mud.
Yeah. We are with
So guys, it's me.
We are with the director God Frank.
TheGor Diaries.
TheGor Diaries.
Yeah, the place to be subscribed, like, comment.
Yeah.
Kindly subscribe to Jamdoz.
But you can share too.
Share.
You can share, you can comment.
You can like.
But more so, you need more subscription than even likes.
Yeah. So guys, please support us so that we can go far.
Support the vlog.
Yeah.
Make
sure to subscribe to Jamdoz.
Yes.
Jamdoz
TV, Jamdoz Music.
Jamdoz TV, Jamdoz Music. I'll display them downside here. Subscribe to Movin Smith, Kenya.
Then we'll send you. Tell them we'll send you tilapia fish right from Lake Victoria.
Yeah. Are you able to watch my video when I was in a lake?
I saw it. I saw that video when you were in Lake Victoria.
Yeah, it was very nice. I even found a snake.
Snake?
Not snake. Skin of a snake.
In the lake.
In the lake. I was really surprised, and it was really big. Go and watch it.
I am going to look for it.
Just go and watch the full.
I'm going to
So
look
guys,
for that video.
thank you guys for watching. Support my brother the way he's supporting me, so that we can go far.
Thank you
so
much.
I want to surprise him with some fish.
Yeah. I'm going to take fish now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Inala sa pesa.
Para